Let's go through a quick tutorial which will help you personalize your first widget and boost incoming leads. In this video, you'll learn how to create a widget, set up the language of a pop-up, and change the appearance. Let's dive into the widget section. Navigate to the widget tab. Here, you can find a widget automatically created for you based on the domain you entered when you signed up. First, ensure your domain address is correct. To customize your widget's features and look, simply click Edit Widget Settings. Here, you'll find both basic and advanced options to configure. Now let's create a widget from the basis. Simply click Create Widget. Enter the address of your website and pick a name for your widget. Next, copy the installation code and add it to your website to start capturing leads. Choose the language for your widget to match how you communicate with your visitors. Navigate to the widget settings. Go to the Widgets View tab. Then on a preview, just scroll down and pick your language from the drop-down list. Don't forget to hit Save to keep your changes. In the widget preview, you have full control over its appearance. Change it using the available options or get creative with CSS styles. Let's start personalizing a pop-up with available options. Select your widget's theme and main color. Then simply upload a background and your company's logo to instantly align the widget with your brand. And below, you can select which contact types to display on your widget and arrange their order. Remember to save your changes. Curious how your widget looks after personalization? You can check it on a live preview page. Explore widget customization for higher conversion rates.